All right, hello everybody. Today for the Revit skills video, we're going to be going over number 4, which is uploading Revit files or sheets to ACC. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is open up a Revit file that we wish to submit. So I have this one pulled up already. This is the first big assignment that we did for 221. We're going to go up here in the top left, click File. And then here is save as, and then save it as a project. Saving as a project allows the file to be opened in Revit when opened because it's a .rvt. So we're going to save this just as Revit skills test, and we're going to save this to our desktop so that we can easily find it later in ACC. Press save. So now that that's done, we can go back to our internet browser, new tab, and we're going to type in Autodesk Construction Cloud. We're then going to click the first link, make sure it's the Autodesk one just in case it's not. Then you're going to get an interface that looks like this. Going to go here in like the top right middle area and click log in, and then make sure that we click this button again. So it logged me in automatically, but in case it doesn't, it's going to ask for your Penn State email or whatever email you used for Autodesk, most likely Penn State, and then the password that you have for Autodesk. You're then going to get a menu that looks like this. You're going to click on the name of the class you wish to submit your Revit files for. So I would imagine most, if not all of us, are in AE-221. So we're going to click that. We're then going to get this menu, which has all these menus on the left, but the important one is files. You're going to find the one with your name, just so you don't accidentally submit for anybody else. I don't think we have access, but just in case. And then you're going to find the assignment you wish to submit for. So this is Revit Intro 1, 2, and 3. We'll just do 3 for now. Then we're going to click this blue button here that says Upload Files. So then we're going to get this pop-up. You can either drag from the Files overlay, like the Files app in your computer, or you can just press this button up here that says From Your Computer and open it for you. Whatever you prefer, whichever is easier. We're going to press this button, and then we're going to go to our desktop, because that's where we saved it. We're just going to type in Revit, okay, and then we'll see it pop up here. So I've obviously done this once or twice, so we'll just choose any, they're all the same. Make sure it's the right file, and then we're going to click open. Going to let this upload. May take a moment, also depending on the file size, might take longer or shorter if it's a bigger file. And then when this is done, we can just click this blue button on the bottom right here that says done. You can also see that it's being uploaded right now. So this is a good way to test to see if it actually did upload, because you'll see it there. It'll say your name, the size, and when it was done. All right, which that should be all for this. Oh, and this was done in Revit 2025. So it may be a little bit different for 2026, but I'm sorry, I don't know. Hopefully that was helpful, and hopefully, yeah, hopefully y'all have a great day.